Hi guys, join me as I make the most delicious chicken curry sauce from scratch, which you can use to eat rice, potatoes or yam. So firstly, we're going to marinate our chicken. I'm using soft chicken for this recipe. So I went in with all the seasonings that is there on the screen. So you put them in, you give it a turn, you cover with cling film and marinate for 1 to 2 hours. Chicken curry sauce is not only delicious, but it's also packed with flavor that you will so much enjoy. So you cover this, you let it marinate for 1 to 2 hours. In another pot, you go in with your oil and onions. You fry this for a few minutes, and then you're going to go in with your chicken, your marinated chicken. So you're going to put that in, and then you're going to give that a stir until it's well incorporated. Everything is well incorporated. Then you're going to cover this and fry for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you're going to go in with some water. The best part about this recipe is that it's just so easy to make. You don't need any special equipment or ingredients. You just have to have a willingness to experiment and try new things. Give it a stir, and then you're going to cover this and cook for 10 minutes until the chicken is soft and tender. Now we're just going to go in with our curry. Go in with your thyme, go in with your Scotch bonnet pepper, and then some salt. You give it a stir, and now we're going to go in with our vegetables. So firstly, you go in with the mixed bell peppers. I use all the 3 colors, and then you go in with your mixed veggies. This is the frozen one that I've got. If you got fresh ones, just cut it up and go in with it. And then that's the spring onions. Now you're going to give this a stir until thoroughly combined, until it's well incorporated. Okay? Many people struggle to find the perfect balance of spices and flavors in a curry. Okay, so you have to try out different recipes just to find the perfect one for you. So after stirring, you're going to cover, and then you're going to mix or dissolve your corn flour. So the corn flour is used as a thickener. You're going to go in with it. Dissolve it, and then you put it in the pot of sauce. You know you've done very well when the sauce has thickened and the chicken is fully cooked. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Of course, you can adjust the seasoning to taste or extra spices if that's what you want. After adding that in your pot of sauce, you're going to give it a good stir. Alright, just to make sure everything is well mixed. Then you're going to cover this and let it simmer for around 15 minutes. And then you're going to see it baking before your eyes. Simmer that and then let it cool. Now look at it, guys. It's a work of art. The way the colors all came together. And there it is, your chicken curry sauce. Thank you for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for chicken curry sauce. If you have any questions or any comments, please leave it in the comment section and I'll be sure to get to you. Consider subscribing for more cooking videos and recipes from around the world. Until next time, happy cooking. Enjoy.